love to hear a little bit more. How has the experience been working with SKAdNetwork? Has it been effective? What's been sort of surprising or interesting working with SKAdNetwork so far?
Yeah, I would say the experience as a whole has been interesting. No one was expecting this to take over their roadmaps for such a long period of time. I am really glad, though, that when we did hear about this originally, and I believe Q3 of last year, we as a team decided to take it very seriously. We just knew it wasn't going to go away. So we started from the beginning, kind of going full force into support, building out all of the UIs that we needed, building out the backend support, bidding structures, machine learning structures. We really tried to tackle it from all angles. So honestly, right now, we feel as prepared as possible to handle this. Obviously, if we are in a world where everyone's reliant on SKAdNetwork, it will be different and it will be challenging, but we'll all have to get through it together. And at that point, all you can do is feel confident in what you've done and confident that you can pivot and adjust and, just get there. We're going to need to figure out what we need to do to get there, and we'll do that together. So right now, I think it's interesting seeing the already evolving SKAdNetwork spec. We have seen rumblings in SKAD 3.0, which is in, I believe, the 14.6 beta, that there is some notion of a multi-touch attribution. And so I do think that we are going to be seeing updates and enhancements to SKAdNetwork that do include some of the more traditionally accepted tracking and attribution elements that will likely make this more comfortable for people. And until then, we're just going to put our best foot forward and be confident in what we've built.